Botox can help relax platysma bands on your neck. It can take anywhere from 40 to 100 units of Botox to relax those bands. That's $1,200 to $1,500. Hi, I'm Alli Drew. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to talk about how to get a more youthful neck. So today I have this really puffy hairstyle going on. I really teased it in the back, and I want to talk to you before we talk about our necks about how I've been able to have this really thick hair in my 60s. I use this product, Viviscal. I've pushed this on my channel before. It's been really miraculous. I really love it. I take it 6 days a week, one pill. I started taking it twice a day for 4 months, and then I cut back to 6 days. It's been great. Look how thick my hair is. I'm 65 and I just love it. I have this great hairstyle going on today. I wouldn't be able to use it if it weren't for the Viviscal. I'll link it for you. I just hope like a bird doesn't land on the top of my head today, start nesting. But anyway, try it. And it doesn't work for everyone. I want to be straight with you guys, but it's been great for me. Okay, on to our necks. The skin on our neck and our eyes is very thin, and it shows aging, if you haven't already noticed. My mom used to tell me to always moisturize my neck before I exercise, and that's a lifelong habit I got into. So that's the first thing. Always moisturize before you exercise. Moisturize your neck. So I have this beautiful one platysma band on my neck, and Botox can help relax platysma bands on your neck. It can take anywhere from 40 to 100 units of Botox to relax those bands. That's $1,200 to $1,500 in Botox. We're better off saving that money towards a neck lift, unless you can afford to spend $1,200 to $1,500 worth of Botox. A dermatologist or a plastic surgeon can inject them. I haven't pursued it because Botox doesn't last on me, but it is an option for you for those platysma bands. Or, like I said, you can get a neck lift, which will minimize or eliminate them. I'm shooting to surgically get rid of it, because I only have one, which is odd, in about a year. In the meantime, glycerin for moisture, peptides to fight technique, and also antioxidants for tightening are the way to go for non-surgical options. I have 4 creams you can try, all under $40 before tax. The first one is Rock. I've been using it during the day because it has an SPF of 30. Remember, we have to use sunscreen on our neck. Many women neglect to put sunscreen on their necks. You can use this cream on your face, but I use it on my neck and chest. It's $26.47 before tax. It has vitamin E and shea butter. It's heavier than any sunscreen, but it's not so heavy that it interferes with my clothing. I like how it gives me that added moisture I need to protect against tech neck. I really try to bring my phone up to my face whenever I think about it. It's good to avoid wrinkles on our neck, but it's also good for our neck muscles. I mean, who wants bad posture and a wrinkly neck, right? This is Strivectin. I really like this neck cream also. It's one of my favorites. It's only $15 before taxes. I've been saying before tax. It's actually before taxes. Hello. This is only a sample size. Their large cream is pricey. I'm not going to give you the bad news, but you only need a little bit. There was a study done where 90% of the participants saw tightening and lessening of wrinkles within 8 weeks. So here is my 8-week claim. It has peptides to improve and lift sagging skin. Those peptides also improve horizontal lines, crepey skin on the neck, and vertical lines from sleep. So I highly recommend this cream, and what's great about it is you can sample it. I saw one reviewer say she saw improvement right when she put it on. I had a similar experience. I feel like my neck sort of drank in the formula. I've been using it every night. I will do a follow-up video on how I layer it with estrogen cream and tretinoin. This number 7 cream is really nice if you have sensitive skin. It's very creamy and smooth. It has peptides, shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, and if you are a vitamin C addict, like I said, it's got vitamin C. It's $21.24 before taxes. And you can also layer coconut oil and cover it up with shea butter to seal it in. Just a little bit of coconut oil and then put the shea butter on top. This is a super inexpensive option. The small shea butter is only $13 and the coconut oil is $8.99. You can heat up the coconut oil and the shea butter in the microwave for a few seconds, but really it's just easier to apply it. You put the coconut oil on first, just a little bit, and then put the shea butter on top. A nice natural mask for you natural ladies is you can take coffee grounds with yogurt, use full fat, plain yogurt, and you get the antioxidants from the coffee with the lactic acid from the yogurt. Leave it on your neck and face for about 20 minutes. Yes, you can use this for your face and do this 2 to 3 times a week. So here are some exercises I do for my neck. They're really easy. The first one is a platysma neck stretch, and I just turn my head and I just stretch my neck and I breathe out. I try to do it 10 times each side. Don't always accomplish it, and I go to the other side, and you want to feel the stretch right here. So here are some stretches that I do. It's good for your jowls and for your neck, and they're not difficult or complicated. And I just do 3 stretches. One is to address the center of my neck, and one is to address the sides of my neck, and then one towards the back. They're very simple. So let's do the front first. I put my hand here, and I put my other hand here, and I just tip my head back, and that's it. And I just say the word yum. 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 And I just do that about 10 times, and it stretches here. And you always want to wear moisturizer when you do these exercises. Yum. Should take about a minute. That's it. Do it about 10 times. And the second one is to address more towards the sides of your neck. Again, make sure you have that moisturizer on. And I try to do this about 10 times each side. I don't always accomplish it. And I just turn to the side, and this one you want to stretch the side, and I breathe out, and you should feel it here. And stretch all the way down here. I try not to make these complicated. Feel the stretch here. And I breathe out. The next day you might feel a little sore. And then the third one, I just put a little moisturizer on my knuckles, and I just flush out the toxins here. I just do this a few times. I just can do these anywhere, whenever I think about it. Just those 3 exercises, that's it. Anyway, that's my video. Remember to be kind, because that makes you the most beautiful. And please remember to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave some comments if you feel inclined to do so. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.